Hey guys, it's Robert with Link My Profile, and today I'm going to show you how you can create your own Biolink using Link My Profile. Uh, I'm I'm currently on a paid account, um, so if you're on a free account, you will be able to do the same thing with limited options. Uh, and if you are on any of our paid accounts, you will be able to do the majority of these uh, add the majority of the different uh, options. So I'm starting on the landing page. I'm assuming that you are already logged in and following along. So up in the top, we'll select your profile name. There's a drop down. We'll select the drop down, and we're going to select Biolinks. We're going to create a new link. We want to create a Biolink. Here you have a couple of options. For your URL, you can use Link My Profile, which is the one specifically designed for biolinks, or you can choose one of our other options. I'm going to go ahead and use Link My Profile. Um, for your alias, you can let the system randomly generate you one, or you can add your own. I'm going to go ahead and add profile. Once you create your profile, it's your BioLink profile. It's going to bring you uh, to a page where you will see a phone screen so you can see exactly what you're building, and then a number of different customization options over on the left. Let's go ahead and start with the first option, customization. Here you have a number of different options. You can select one of these images as your background. You can also select gradients as your background. Let's go ahead and we'll use this orange gradient. Um, Branding, if you're on a paid account, you can change the branding if you don't like linkmyprofile.io showing there. So let's do some custom branding. Your company name, you can add the URL for your company. You can change the text color. Let's change this to white. You can add pixels. You can add your page title and your metadata. Uh, Open graph image. This one's really important. This one is going to allow you to share your URL and it have a nice image when it's shared, rather than just a link. You'll have the image that you want to show when your link is shared. You can add UTM parameters for additional tracking. You can change your font. I'm using Google Fonts. I've added a number of different Google fonts that uh, range from normal to extreme, and you can pick what you like. And if there is a Google font that's not available that you would like, reach out to me, and I'm happy to add uh, different fonts for you. Now, I'm going to go ahead and just use Manrope here. Um, you can password protect it, uh, and you can connect it to a project, and you can also set it to uh, link directly to a different page. So if you want to fully redirect all users at some point that are accessing your BioLink to a different page, this is where you would come and set it, and you could link them to a new web page or whatever you want. You can add custom CSS, and you can also add custom JavaScript. This really just kind of opens it up, endless possibilities. All right, so that's the first page. Next, we're going to go to our blocks. So I'm going to select add block here at the top. This is where you have all of the different blocks that you can add to your page, and we have a very large number of extremely useful tools. Some that I want to point out are products and services, donations. Uh, all of these you can collect payments on. You can collect reviews. You can share your reviews. You can uh, show images. You can. It really, it really is just. There's really so much that you can do. And so I'll go through the motions of creating a, a basic page for you. So let's go ahead and add a heading. We'll call it my profile. And let's add an avatar. And you can select your avatar size. I personally like the largest, so I'm going to go ahead and go with the 150 by 150. And then I'm going to make it round. As you're adding your different blocks, you can also arrange them over on the side over here. You can drag and reorder. So uh, looking at this, I think that I would like my avatar on top. So I'm just going to drag it to the top. There we go. Let's add a new block. Let's add paragraph. Great. Let's add a new block. Let's add an image. You can add your alternate description. You can link the image directly to a different URL. There we go. Let's add, you can add your social media links. Let's go ahead and and add social media links. So let's start by making them white, and let's change the size to large. Let's do large. We'll add email, skip telephone and Telegram and WhatsApp. Let's add Facebook. Let's do that here. Oh, we're just going to add let's add Instagram. Let's add Twitter. You can add TikTok, YouTube, SoundCloud, LinkedIn, Spotify, Pinterest, Snapchat, Twitch, Discord, Facebook Messenger, Telegram, just a large number of options. All right, that looks pretty good there. Let's add another block here. Um, you can add an email collector. Let's do and so the options for all of the things you add are to the right of where they are of where the block is listed over here. So where we have join my newsletter, let's open that up and let's edit it. Um, let's start with customization. You can add a thumbnail, you can add an icon, you can add change your text color, you can change your text alignment, your background color, your border width, um, border radius. Let's do round. You can add an animation. Let's do a bounce, and then you can change how often that animation runs. Let's make this animation infinite, and it'll just constantly bounce and drag attention to it. Um, cool, and maybe infinite is annoying. Let's do 3 bounces there. Perfect. All right. Oh, and then also you can uh, add your MailChimp API key, or you can add a webhook URL, and this is going to uh, move your collection of email addresses to where you can actually use them. All right, let's add another block. You can add SoundCloud, Spotify, YouTube, Twitch. The list goes on and on and on. You can collect phone numbers. You can add NFTs. You could add a map to your business location. Uh, you can add. Well, I won't read all of these. You you can read through them. A really important one though is this custom HTML. This is really huge. You can get uh, custom HTML, from a number of different applications, a number of places out on the web, uh, and you can add you can completely customize uh, some of the things that you can do. A lot of calendar apps will have uh, custom HTML where you can uh, embed your calendar. You can embed a large number of things using the custom HTML. Your V card, this is really important one too. The V card allows you to share your contact information, and when someone clicks on it, they can download it directly into their phone. Image grid, you can add dividers. Let's go ahead and we'll add a divider. Let's move that divider. You can scroll over here too. But let's move this divider up. We'll go underneath the paragraph, and then we'll see here, divider. Oh, we'll move it up and back down. There we go. Oh, there we go. All right. You can edit your uh, divider icon to uh, something different. Let's go ahead and just pick something quick here. Let's do this. We'll circle down. Um, and we'll refresh that real quick. There we go. Let's, all right. All right. Let's add another block here. Now let's add a tweet. And so we'll put in the URL for a tweet. And it adds it directly to our page. Um, and so I hope that you can see the endless potential here. Um, you can add lists, alerts, an FAQ. You can add your Discord server, Facebook posts, Reddit posts, countdowns. Let's add a countdown here. We can say we're going to count down to 12. We'll count down till tomorrow. Let's edit that. Countdown to Saturday. There we go. Let's. Well, I will. You can add reviews. You can add a timeline. Uh, collect donations. You can add products. You can add services. We can click on service and you can see. Let's do let's go t-shirts. See all of the different options. You can select your payment service settings. Um, you can set your price. You can add a thank you title, thank you description, uh, data collection with the webhook URL, uh, customization settings, add a thumbnail, add an icon, change your text color, alignment, display settings. Display settings is one I should go over. Um, I, I can't remember if I went over it already or not, but you can schedule all of your individual posts if you don't want them to show on different days, if you only want them to work on certain days, if you can block uh, different countries if you don't want your post to be shown in all of these different countries, you can select them all and it'll block them. Um, or I'm sorry, you can select which one you want your information to show in, and it'll only show in that country. Devices, if you only want to show on desktops, tablets, mobiles, uh, yeah, you can show only to different languages or only to different operating systems. And so some of our users have done some pretty cool things. Let's go to our directory and you can see the example page. This one I really like here. Beautiful by Storm. They've got a link to their store. You can see different products and read a little bit about their store. Um, so very, very cool stuff. Uh, a lot of different things that you can do. Um, Definitely check it out. Uh, it is on AppSumo right now for a short time. Get in while you can get a lifetime deal. Um, Thank you. I appreciate you all. Bye.